For these two simultaneous equations, we have 4x plus 2y is 10 and 5x plus 3y is equal to 12. What you want to do first is look at the coefficients of x and y, so the number before x and y. I'm going to work at making the coefficients of y the same. So I have here a 2 and here a 3. I know that 6 is my lowest common multiple, so I'm going to multiply the top line by 3 and this bottom line here by 2. In doing so, this becomes a 6 and that becomes a 6. So my two new equations will be, so multiply this by 3, this by 3, and this by 3. So that becomes 12x plus 6y, 30. And this I'm multiplying by 2, and by 2. So this equation becomes 10x plus 6y is equal to 24. Now from here, I want to eliminate one of the letters. So I'm going to eliminate y because they have the same coefficient, which was the purpose of doing this. I'm going to do that by subtracting. So I'm going to subtract the whole of the second line. So I'm going to have 12x take away 10x, that's 2x. 6y take away 6y, that's gone. 30 take away 24, 6. Then I divide both sides by 2. So x is equal to 3. Now we find y by substituting x is 3. So say sub, for substitution, sub x is equal to 3 into one of these two equations. I'm going to put it in the first one, so I'm going to label it a. So into a. So where I have x now, I'm going to write 3. That's going to be 4 times 3 plus 2y is 10. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2y is 10. I subtract 12 on both sides. So 2y is equal to a negative 2. Then I divide both sides by 2. And y is equal to a negative 1. So my answer for this question is x is 3 and y is negative 1.